As time goes by, I'm always updating my source codes. This is how I have updated Rebeloper messages to 3.0.0. The last version was 2.0.2. And now I'm going to walk you through the changes that I have made. First up is the version number, of course, that you need to change. Next up is let's go through the settings. In the last version, as you already know, you could have one non-consumable and one auto-renewable subscription. Now, with the latest version, you can have all sorts of subscriptions and in-app purchases. So let me go there. As you can see, we have 3 auto-renewable subscriptions. One is for a weekly, one is for a monthly, and one is for a yearly renewable subscription. Of course, you can change this as you like in the iTunes Connect dashboard. Of course, you need to set app uses auto renewable subscription to true. If you set it to false, then automatically all the subscriptions and the options will disappear from the app. The same goes for the non-consumables. If you set it to false, then it will go away. And if you set it to true, then of course you need to set up all of these in-app purchase IDs. One for all the stickers. This will unlock all of the stickers in all categories because, let me tell you, in Rebeloper Messages 3.0.0, you have 3 categories of stickers to choose from. The first in-app purchase ID is to unlock all the stickers. The second and till the fourth one, these 3 are for the locked stickers inside each category. Now, as you quite remember, we have a total stickers and a free stickers in the last Rebeloper Messages version. So that meant that you have a total of, here we are, 16 stickers, from which the last 6 is locked. So that's how we say that we have a total stickers of 16 and free stickers are the first 9. Okay, here in the latest version of Rebeloper Messages, we have stickers in each category. So we have lock stickers in each category. So we have a total stickers in category 1 is 6 and the free stickers are 3. So let's take a look at that. So here we are in the stickers category 1. So the first, here are the 6 stickers that are unlocked and the last 3 stickers are locked. So of course the first 3 are free. The same goes for the second category and the third category. Okay, and here we are at the naming conventions. In the last one, the base name for the stickers was sticker, meaning you had sticker 1, sticker 2, sticker 3, and so on. For the locked stickers, you had locked 10, locked 11, locked 12. The same convention goes for the new version, but you need to add the category 1 and the category 2 prefix. For example, in the category 1 base name, you have category 1 sticker. Here we are, category 1 sticker 1. The next one is category 1 sticker 2, and so on. And for the lock stickers, it's the same. You have category 1 locked 4, category 1 locked 5. And just as a reminder, in category 2, you have the unlocked stickers. The free stickers are category 2 sticker 1, category 2 sticker 2, and so on. And the locked are category 2 locked 4 and category 2 locked 5. I believe that is pretty straightforward. Now, this is not a new thing. These new constants are not that new because we have implemented them in an earlier version. So the stickers extension should be PNG or GIFs. That means that all of the stickers should have this extension, and the sticker size, 1 is small, 2 is regular, 3 is large. Okay, I believe we are ready explaining the settings.swift file. Now let's go over to the mkstorekit configs.plist file. This is where we have also needed to add the in-app purchase IDs. Of course, in the last version, in the 2.0.2 version, we added our weekly auto-renewable subscription and our all stickers non-consumable in-app purchase ID. And of course, if we used the first one, the renewable subscription, then we need to add our shared secret here. Now let's go over to the latest version and take a look at the mkstorekit configs.plist file. Here, as you can see, it's roughly the same. We have the free subscriptions here and the 4 non-consumables, and if it is the case, then the shared secret. Okay, one last thing I want to talk about is the assets folder. So let's go ahead and take a look at the older one. We have mainly just a few assets here, 2 buttons, a header background, the app icons, and the sticker background. Now we have a lot more images, well, fairly a lot images. In the newest version, we have a back button, 3 buy buttons, category buttons, of course, the purchase all button, a restore button, a shop button, and subscribe buttons. Subscribe to a weekly, a monthly, and a yearly subscription. Of course, you will need to change this if you are having another type of subscriptions, and a header background and a header background for the shop. Of course, here we have the sticker background and the app icons. So just for a teaser, let's go through to showing you how the 2.0.2 message app is showing on the iPhone simulator, and then take a look at the newest version. We have a purchase all button, a restore button, and here we have the title. And if we just scroll up this, then we have the locked stickers. And that was it for the Rebeloper messages in 2.0.2. Now I will just delete this sticker app and then go back here and start to... Okay, I will just use the iPhone SE and let's see what happens in the 3.0.0 version. Okay, and it has loaded. As you can see, we have a shop button, a subscribe button, and 3 categories. Let's move that up and see we have our free stickers and our free locked stickers. If we choose category 2, another type of stickers, category 3, another type of stickers. And if we go to the shop, then we can buy the categories, all of them, and of course restore the in-app purchases. And if we go back and check out the subscribe panel, then we can subscribe to a weekly, monthly, or yearly subscription. Let's go back here, and that is it. You now know what the difference between Rebeloper messages, and that's it. And now you know what's the difference between Rebeloper messages 2.0.2 and Rebeloper messages version 3.0.0.